It's a nervous time for people living near recent burn areas. Parts of Mountain Home Village, Glen, and Yucaipa are under evacuation warning, as are parts of Cherry Valley. Inland Empire Bureau Chief Rob McMillan is just south of there in Beaumont with a look at the preparations. Rob?
Good afternoon. Well, it's been a long time since Cherry Valley and Beaumont have been under this kind of a threat, obviously because of those fires over the summer that burned way up into the hills, even into the mountains. You can see what they've done here. Not only are K-rails in place, but these other more powerful barriers, hopefully to keep the water in the channel and keep it from going over the banks into the neighborhood.
Evacuation warnings are now in effect for many people in Cherry Valley and Beaumont. K-rails and barriers are in place, but despite all the science, it's still kind of a guessing game as to which areas will actually flood.
We've had a couple rain events, but they've been fairly minor rain events. This is the first one that's really going to hit the thresholds, and that's really where the theories on what the burn scar potential could do are going to be tested.
Of course, these neighborhoods are in relatively flat parts of the area. CAL FIRE says the area of greater concern is Yucaipa in San Bernardino County and up near Birch Creek in Glen. And people are also under an evacuation warning up Highway 38 in Mountain Home Village.
We're worried about the amount of rainfall that's coming in a short amount of time. But on top of that, we have the snow.
And Shane GLAZE with the San Bernardino County Fire Department says all of this snow could end up being the real problem. Why? Well, if the snow level from this storm is too high, all of this snow sitting here somewhat peacefully right now could be wiped out by the storm, creating a massive amount of runoff in moments. At the exact same time, the area is pelted by heavy rain.
If that does happen, we could have significant amount of snow melt along with rain coming down at the same time.
And for those wondering, residents in the mountain community of Forest Falls are not under an evacuation warning, at least not right now. That's because they live at what's expected to be above the snow level. For all of the people who live in trouble-prone areas like here in Cherry Valley, county officials want to make sure you signed up for emergency alerts on your smartphone because it's possible the strength of the storm and potential shelter-in-place orders could come in the middle of the night. Live in Cherry Valley, Rob McMillan, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Rob, thank you.